One of the many iconic sights in Universal's Diagon Alley is their wonky stack of cauldrons, so of course we had to make our own crooked cauldrons for our Diagon Alley. Everyone loved posing for photos by our apothecary shop, and thankfully this is a quick and easy project anyone can add to their own Halloween decorations. I have quite a copious cauldron collection, in several sizes from various metals and ceramics to glass, but I needed plastic for this project. I already had one giant 22-inch diameter plastic cauldron I had found at a Halloween store years ago, a few medium sizes to spare. Then I got lucky finding an assortment online including another giant 22-inch, one 16-inch, 4 8-inch, and 4 6-inch cauldrons. Those arrived in April, so I hoped to get this done early, but September came and all the cauldrons were still stacked in the basement. Thank goodness it was only about an hour of stacking cauldrons on top of each other, using a paddle bit to cut holes in each cauldron to get the crooked angles, and cutting 1-inch thick PVC pipe to length so the coupler connectors would prevent each cauldron from sliding too far down. The bottom PVC pipe slid over a stainless steel pole screwed into a wide plate that I happened to have, but you could use a scrap of plywood and a PVC flange foot instead. Once I had the stack how I liked, I numbered each PVC end connector, took the cauldrons apart, and had fun choosing which metallic spray paints to use, keeping the cauldrons in order in a circle so I could plan the color variety. After they were all fully dry top and bottom, I stacked them on the PVC again, and since they were so lightweight, for safety I drilled a hole through the top PVC pipe, threaded monofilament through, and looped it around a cup hook screwed into the wall. Thankfully, this secured the stack even through the 16 miles per hour winter storms we had this season. Now you know how to make your own crooked cauldrons for your next Halloween.